Good morning, students. This is a video on the topic expressing numbers in scientific notation and standard form. Before getting started, let's discuss a higher order thinking question from the part of exponents. Suppose x to the power a by x to the power b into x to the power b by x to the power c into x to the power c by x to the power a is given, and you have to simplify it. In the first part, you will see that there are three different terms. In the first term, x to the power a is being divided by x to the power b. If bases are same, then powers can get subtracted. In the second part, even the bases are same and it is being divided, therefore the power gets subtracted. In the third part, even bases are same, therefore the power gets subtracted. X to the power a minus b into x to the power b minus c into x to the power c minus a. Since there is a multiply sign in between, therefore all the power get add up since all the bases are same. We can write it as x to the power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a, or we can write x to the power a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a if we open the bracket. Plus a minus a gets cancelled up, minus b plus b and minus c and plus c. Since all the powers get subtracted and become 0, therefore we get x to the power 0, and x to the power 0 can be written as 1. Now getting started with the topic expressing large numbers in scientific notation form. Generally, scientific notation form is like writing a number like 598623. It's a large number, writing in two different factors. The first number would be more than 1 and less than 10. एक से बड़ा होना चाहिए और 10 से छोटा होना चाहिए. और जो दूसरा पार्ट है, that is the second part, it should be a factor of 10. Therefore, since decimal is after 3, we need to shift the decimal up to such position that it becomes a number less than 10 and more than 1. We need to shift it over here. Now it's after 3. We have shifted the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places towards the left, and it becomes 5.98623, and since it has shifted 5 places towards the left, therefore we have multiplied it by 10 to the power 5. Okay, the first part we get 5.98623, that is a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10, and the second part we get that is a factor of 10. The second part, expressing a large number in standard form. 7.8 into 10 to the power 4. You have to express in standard form, that means in simple numbers. 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 can be written as 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 3. 4 को डिवाइड किया गया 1 और 3 में. 7.8 into 10, we can write it as 78, and the second part 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3 can be written as 1000. 78 into 1000, that is 78,000. Next, expressing small numbers in scientific notation and standard form. Small numbers like 0.000049. You have to write in scientific notation. Then this can be written as 49 by 1 000,000, or you can write 49 by 10 to the power 6, since we have removed the decimal in this number, 10 to the power 6. If we try to write 49 in scientific notation form, then we can write it 4.9 into 10. We have to make 49 a number less than 10 but greater than 1. Therefore we have written 4.9 into 10, और ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई होकर 49 ही आएगा. 10 to the power 6, इसको जब न्यूमरेटर में ले जाइएगा, then it becomes 10 to the power minus 6. So, and over here it is 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Since there is a multiply sign in between, therefore 1 and minus 6 get add up and we get 10 to the power minus 5, and the final answer becomes 4.9 into 10 to the power minus 5. Next, writing a small number in standard form, that is 5.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. 5.7 can be written as 57 by 10, and this here it is 10 to the power minus 4. 57 by 10, or you can write 10 to the power minus 4 as 1 by 10 to the power 4. Using the formula, a by b to power minus m would be equal to b by a to power m. Since there is a negative sign in power, therefore the base gets reciprocaled. 10 to power 1 and 10 to power 5 can be written as 10 to power 10 to power 1 and into 10 to power 4 can be written as 10 to power 5. 57 by 10 to power 5 or 10 to power 5 can be written as 1,0,0,0,0,0. Just we have expanded it. And if you keep try to convert in decimal part, we can write it 0.00057. That's the final answer. Thank you.